Hello everybody, my name is Michael. Welcome back to my channel. Hope you're having a wonderful day so far. Just taking a stab back at the Python crash course, Try It Yourself problems. Going to be looking at 3-11, the last problem in the chapter 3 on introducing lists. This one just asks us to show an example of an index error by purposefully raising one. An index error is raised when you try to access an index value that does not exist within an object that is both iterable and indexable, such as a Python list like used in chapter 3. 3-11 intentional error states, if you haven't received an index error in one of your programs yet, try to make one happen. Change an index into one of your programs to produce an error. Make sure you have the error before closing the program. Alright, so I will copy our program from 3-5 to demonstrate an example of an index error. We try to access the index 2, which is the last index created or available within this list of people. Note that lists are zero indexed, so the index 2 corresponds to the third item, Kitty, in this list. At line 10, we substitute the value Joe into that index position 2 within the people list. I'll duplicate the line and comment the original out. If I go ahead and override the value in here to 3 and index past the accessible values within the original people list, this will throw an index error, demonstrated by this. As you can see by the error risen, the index in people 3 by the traceback is an index error at line 11. You can catch these types of errors with try and except statements, but those haven't been introduced yet in the book and will come in later videos. This example just wanted us to demonstrate an index error actually being risen and how to notice when it might happen. Because we know that lists are zero indexed, as I stated before, accessing a value via an index equal to the actual length of the list will raise and cause this error as demonstrated. We have to access an index of n-1, where n is the length of our list. That's how it's often referred to as in algorithms. Alright, this is going to be it for chapter 3. I'll see you guys in chapter 4. Thanks so much for watching. Bye guys.